The next relation which we are going to see is very important relation, that is reflexive relation. It is a reflexive relation. Now if a comma a belongs to R for every a belongs to capital A, then we can say that relation as a reflexive relation. Now see, let us see this with an example. A is equal to, same set I have taken 1, 2 and 3. Now A cross A means, A cross A we know there are 9 ordered pairs in this Cartesian product. Now our condition for the reflexive relation is A comma A should belongs to capital A for every A belongs to A. A comma A, whatever I have taken as the first one, the second one also be the same. This A is belongs to the given set. The set which I have taken is 1, 2 and 3. So if I take that 1 means, then 1 comma 1 will be the first ordered pair, then that will belongs to this condition. Then 2 comma 2, 3 comma 3 likewise. Now see the first relation, R is equal to A comma B such that A equal to B. Now A equal to B means if I select A as 1, then B will also be 1. So the order pair will be 1 comma 1. For next element 2, it is 2 comma 2. For the next element 3, it is 3 comma 3. So this is a reflexive relation. Now set ordered pairs itself I have taken in the second one. Now see what are the ordered pairs I have taken is 1 comma 1, 2 comma 2, 3 comma 3 and 3 comma 1. Now see my set A is 1, 2, 3. For this 1 comma 1 will satisfy the condition. 2 comma 2 will satisfy the condition. 3 comma 3 will also satisfy the condition, but I have an extra ordered pair which does not satisfy the condition A comma A. But it doesn't matter if 3 elements are there. All the 3 elements satisfies the condition, and if you have one more extra element in this, that doesn't matter. We can say this as a reflexive relation. No need to worry about the extra ordered pairs present in that relation. We have to check only for the number of elements and number of ordered pairs only. Now see for the third one, I have taken the ordered pairs only 2 comma 2 and 3 comma 3. But my set is 1, 2 and 3. For the 1, I don't have the ordered pair here 1 comma 1. The ordered pair 1 comma 1 is not there in this set. Therefore, I cannot say this as a reflexive relation, because my condition every element should be related to the given set. Here the 1 is not related to the given set. Therefore, this is not a reflexive relation. Now see the last one, R is equal to 1 comma 3, 1 comma 1, 2 comma 1, 2 comma 2 and 3 comma 3. Now see for the condition 3 elements are there, 1, 2 and 3. For that 1 comma 1 is there, 2 comma 2 is there, 3 comma 3 is there. My condition satisfied. I no need to worry about these two ordered pairs. Simply I can say this is a reflexive relation. Next, not reflexive. If there exists at least some A belongs to A such that A comma A does not belongs to R, then that is not reflexive. The example is this one. This 1 is belongs to the given set A, but 1 comma 1 is not there in this relation. Therefore, this is not a reflexive relation.